SANRAD's V-STOR Active-Active Metro cluster provides complete business continuity for virtual servers. A virtual server is running in a Microsoft Hyper-V environment. The Hyper-V environment is supported by a cluster of two V-stores marked as JFK and LaGuardia. For demonstration purposes, we are sending Keep Alive pings from the virtual machine to both JFK and LaGuardia, showing that they are currently both up and running. A media application as well as a load generation tool is also running on the virtual machine. We will now demonstrate the resilience of SANRAD's storage cluster by physically cutting the electric power to the JFK V-STOR array, which is currently servicing our virtual machine. As the JFK V-STOR is now completely offline, we can see that it is no longer responsive to the pings from the virtual machine. The I/O meter load generation tool is also temporarily unable to generate storage traffic, simply because it is currently not getting a response from the array that has been disconnected. Had this been an unprotected virtual machine, the effect of a storage loss could have been catastrophic. Although the media application can continue to run off its memory cache for a short period, if connectivity is not quickly restored, it will soon crash. The virtual machine itself, if unprotected, would also fail following a short storage timeout period. Luckily in this case, the application and virtual machines are protected by the SANRAD V-STOR storage cluster. The SANRAD cluster quickly recognizes that although the JFK V-STOR is down, the sister LaGuardia V-STOR array is up and running. The cluster mechanism immediately checks the availability of live mirror copies of the data stored at the LaGuardia V-STOR. As the data is ready and available at the LaGuardia site, the LaGuardia V-STOR will take over servicing all virtual machines to assure uninterrupted storage availability. The transfer of service to the alternate site occurs well within the virtual machine and application's timeout windows. Using SANRAD's unique iSCSI clustering technology, the LaGuardia V-STOR completely imitates the disconnected JFK V-STOR array. Storage services to the virtual machines are resumed from the precise point they were interrupted with zero data loss. SANRAD's Metro cluster solution combines the power of SANRAD's iSCSI clusters with Server Virtualization High Availability to provide end-to-end protection for virtual servers.